Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the Solo 4 off and confirm battery above 50% so Bluetooth won't interfere. Remove ear cushion carefully, then unscrew the visible tri-point and Phillips screws. Use a spudger to lift the plastic cup slowly so clips don't snap. Once open, make sure you can see the driver, ribbon, and solder joints. Take a photo for reference. This step exposes the internal wiring. Do not yank cables. You want clear access to the left channel wiring before proceeding to repairs. Now you inspect every connection. Follow the left ear ribbon to its board and look for lifted pads, cracked solder, or hairline breaks. Use magnification and gentle tug tests. If a joint is dull or cracked, clean with flux and reflow using a 0. 5 mm tip, add a tiny blob of solder, not a flood. For a torn ribbon, cut back to solid flex and resolder, or replace the ribbon/driver entirely. Once repaired, gently secure cables with electrical tape or adhesive to prevent. Reassemble carefully. Reconnect the driver and ribbon, press connectors fully, and replace foam and screws in reverse order. Make sure no cable is pinched. Power on and test first with a wired aux cable. This isolates Bluetooth issues, then pair via Bluetooth. If left side now plays, you're done. If it remains dead, swap the driver with the right side to confirm a faulty driver or recheck the solder joints. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, inspect the left channel at the board traces. Broken trace requires jumper wiring or board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.